Good morning, guys. Hope everyone is doing fine today. My name is Gaurish and I'm back with about 4 to 5 hot stocks to watch for today. So let's get started for today, guys. The first stock that I'll be talking about today is Francisas Holding Corp. Ticker symbol is FRAN. Pre-market price is 3.69. It is up by about 61% right now. Before us volume is 3.65 million. News for this stock is that Francisas receives court approval of first day motions to support ongoing operations. This news came in today morning at 8 a.m. After this news came out, as you can see, before 8 a.m. it was trading at around 2.28 and 3.28, and it went up to 5.98, and then it again came back. So this is the first stock to watch because of this news. The second stock to watch for today is the name of the company is Intech Pharma Limited. Ticker symbol is NTEC. Pre-market price is $7. It is up by about 102%. Before us volume is 6.79 million. News for this stock is that Intech Pharma announces cannabinoid research collaboration with GW Pharma. This news came in today morning at 7 a.m. After this news came out, the stock boosted up to about 8.33 and then again came down to 6.99. And this is the second stock to watch because of the news. The third stock to watch is the name of the company is ZW Data Action Technologies. Ticker symbol is CNET. Pre-market price is 2.82. It is up by about 93% right now. Before us volume is 8.36 million. News for this stock was that ZW Data Action Technologies officially opens its first live streaming platform. This news came out today morning at 6:35 a.m. and as you can see, before 6:35 a.m. it was 157 and then went up to about 327. So this is a third stock to watch for today because of this news. The fourth stock to watch for today, name of the company is Cinedigm Corp. Ticker symbol is CIDM. Pre-market price is 1.03. It is up by about 20% right now. Before us volume is 17 to 18 million. News for this stock was that Cinedigm partners with SphereX to expand international content distribution capabilities. This news came out yesterday at 9:30 a.m. in the morning. But as there is huge volume going on today, that's why I am recommending the stock to watch, because if the pre-market has crossed and if people are interested into this stock, then it is anyway going to go up. So this is the fourth stock to watch, guys. The last stock to watch is name of the company is Recon Technology Limited. Ticker symbol is RCON. Pre-market price is 2.59. It is up by about 79 to 80% right now. Before us volume is 9.93 million. I don't have any specific news for this stock, but but because of huge volumes going on, that's why I'm recommending this stock. So keep that in mind, guys. And first and the most important thing is, after the pre-market has crossed, just don't blindly invest into the stock. Watch for the momentum of the stock. Once the momentum, like if you feel that it is going up like about around 200%, it is going up about 300% within hours, then just then invest into this stock and wait for about 20 to 30% of gains and get out as soon as possible and book your profits as soon as possible. Don't wait too long, because if you wait too long, then it may go down. And also, before investing, please make sure that before investing, just make sure that you are deciding the stop loss first before investing into the stock. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you are getting profits because of my stocks, and if you are getting profits, guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and play safe, guys. Don't because the markets are going up right now because of the coronavirus thing. The vaccinations are getting out, and people will be recovering very fast. So I think the market is going to go up anyways. So that's why. Also, one more thing, guys, if you want to invest into blockchains, Riot is the stock to watch, as it is going down right now because Bitcoin is going down. So but eventually Bitcoin is going to up, according to me. I don't know exactly, but I think so. It is going to go up because as per the demand and the supply goes, I think if there is more demand and the supply is less, so it has to go up anyways, one day or another. So till December 2021, I think Bitcoin will be making new highs. So that's why if you want to invest into any of the blockchain stocks without investing into Bitcoin, then this is a stock to watch. The name of the company is Riot Blockchain. Ticker symbol is RIOT. So I'll be telling this stock each and every day, so that no one misses out on this stock, because it can go up to $25 and above that if Bitcoin gets boosted. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like my videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and thank you for watching and have a great day.